Here I have Tesla Model Y, and on this example let me show you how to enable the Romanz mode, and I will explain what the Romanz mode is. Let's begin. So, at the very beginning, you need to use this Toybox. You can find it sometimes here in recent or favorite apps, or you can also use more apps here, and from the list of all applications you should find the Toybox. Let's start. Here we've got a few interesting Toybox features that you can use. If you swipe to the left, you should find the Romanz. So now, if you would like to use the Romanz mode, of course you need to have your car in a parking mode. So let me tap here Park and choose Romanz here. And as you can see, here we've got the explanation. Romanz mode, it's the flame that never goes out. Experience Romanz mode and stay parked all night long. So it's like this funny Easter egg from Tesla. Let me just tap Get Cozy. And as you can see, and also here, you should see the fireplace, the virtual fireplace. It's like this funny thing in Tesla that you can use. If you would like to disable the Romanz mode and go back to the normal mode, you need to tap twice the screen. Let me show you. If you tap once, it doesn't work, but if you tap the second one, you can have the access to the normal mode. So basically that's it. The Romanz mode is in all newer Teslas, I think from 2020 or maybe even older. So basically you can use it in your old Tesla cars. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.